If your Samsung Android phone has been stolen, you can take several steps to track and potentially recover it. One of the primary methods is by using the built-in Find My Device feature, which is offered by Google for all Android devices. Here's how you can enable and use it. Enabling Find My Device on your Samsung phone. Check your settings. Most Samsung phones come with the Find My Device feature pre-installed and enabled by default. However, it's a good idea to double-check if it's enabled on your device. To do this, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security, or Lock Screen and Security. Look for Find My Mobile or Find My Device and make sure it's turned on. If it's not enabled, toggle the switch to enable it. Link to Google account. Ensure that your Samsung phone is linked to your Google account. This is usually done during the initial setup of the device. If you haven't linked your phone to a Google account, go to Settings, Accounts, Add Account and add your Google account. Tracking your stolen Samsung phone. Use Find My Device web interface. Open a web browser on a computer or another device. Go to the Find My Device website, https://www.google.com/android/find. Log in with the same Google account that is linked to your Samsung phone. Once logged in, you'll see a map showing the approximate location of your device if it's online. You can also perform actions like making the phone ring, locking it, or erasing its data. Use another Android device. Download and install the Find My Device app from the Google Play Store on another Android device. Open the app and log in with the same Google account. You'll be able to see the location of your stolen Samsung phone on a map and perform actions like ringing, locking, or erasing it. Please note that for tracking to work, your stolen phone needs to be connected to the internet, mobile data or Wi-Fi, and have its location services turned on. Keep in mind that these methods may not guarantee the recovery of your stolen phone, but they can help you increase your chances of finding it. If you are unable to track your phone or if it's not responding, you should also consider reporting the theft to the local law enforcement authorities and your mobile carrier. They might be able to assist you further. Remember to prioritize your safety when dealing with stolen devices. Do not attempt to recover the device on your own if it puts you in danger. For more tips, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for listening.